everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I will be doing an unboxing of the Louis Vuitton Pochette. I recently uploaded a unboxing of my Louis Vuitton Neverfull MM bag and a lot of you loved that and wanted to see more. You also asked for a video on how I find my bags pre-loved for a really good deal, how to look, how to know they're authentic, where to look, what to look for. And all of that will be coming in a video, I hope by the end of next weekend, if early by the week. So keep your eyes peeled for that. Don't forget to hit the notification down below and subscribe if you don't want to miss it. But I wanted to unbox this Louis Vuitton Pochette for you guys. It is pre-loved and it is going to someone as a gift. A few people did donate towards this bag. And I wanted to clarify that because I feel like now on social media, YouTube, Instagram, Twitter, Facebook, people post amazing pictures, amazing items that they buy, and all of that. And I would never want to apply pressure or to make somebody feel inadequate by something I was posting. So no, this is not mine. This is going to as a gift to someone, but I just wanted to clarify that so people weren't like, oh my gosh, another unboxing. No, this is a gift and a lot of people went in on it. So there's that. But I wanted to unbox it so that I could clean it up and get it ready to gift to this special someone that is receiving it. So let's unbox it. One thing I will say about this bag is I did do a lot of research about bags and the bags in the price range we were looking for. And one thing I really loved about this bag, and there are so many bags in this price range, but I know there were a lot of vintage bags that were really beat up and I just didn't want to have to invest or give someone a bag that wouldn't last a really long time. These bags are amazing, they are great quality, they last, but you can really find them for a killer deal. But I love this one because it acts as 3 different bags. It can be a shoulder bag, it can be a crossbody, and you could use it as a cute little clutch. So that's why I liked it. And I figured the person that's receiving this bag would also like that she can transition it into different things also. So this is the bag. It's a good size. You could fit, I'm looking for my phone, but it's in my pocket. You could fit a phone, a cute little wallet. You could fit your necessities, a hand sanitizer. So let's open it. It doesn't have pockets inside, which I knew that, but I think for the person this is going to, it's perfect. It's got the handle. It is a little darkened, but I'm going to clean it up. It does have a few little cracks in it, but that's okay. The hardware is kind of tarnishing. I'll shine it up. And honestly, they said it was in decent condition, but in all reality, with the pictures and the description that was listed on this bag, I thought it would be in worse condition, to be honest, but it really is in awesome condition. It's definitely pre-loved, but I am going to get another strap that this person can use to make it longer. This is the strap from Louis Vuitton, and I did read about how to know if a pochette is in fact authentic, and with the pictures and everything, I saw this one is authentic. And in the video coming in like a week, I will tell you places you can authenticate your bags for really inexpensive to know that they're in fact real. But the canvas is perfect, it's not cracked, the zipper is, it's not changing colors and cracking or anything like that. The little leather is darkened, but that happens with use, and especially with being pre-loved, you're not always going to get a perfect bag. The hardware works, it's awesome. You guys, the inside is spotless pretty much. It's got the little tag or the date stamp in there right here. I think the person getting this will love it, and I'm so excited to see her face when she opens it. But I'm going to clean this bag up, use a few simple products. I use baby wipes or like water wipes. I've seen a lot of people use them. I've used them on all my Louis Vuittons to clean it. I also use the Awesome spray from the Dollar Tree. People love that. And if there's a really rough stain which I have not had a tough stain to get out yet, so I haven't bought it, but they use kind of like a carpet cleaner. So this one doesn't need to be cleaned super bad. I picked it because I knew it probably would be in decent condition to clean up and make it look really nice, even though it said it was in kind of rough shape, but no, it's really not. I would say they rated it lower than what it actually is. So I am excited to give this as a gift. I will be uploading a video on how to find awesome deals on Louis Vuittons shortly, so keep your eyes peeled for that. I hope you did enjoy this video. You guys, this is awesome. I'm excited. So thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button down below, and we'll see you next time. Bye, guys.